Hey there, this is Priyanka Sorathia, and in this project, my partner is Chandani Thakkar. Today, we will talk about the project on smart dustbin. The trend of making the manual controlled things automatic has become a common practice these days. The process of making the things automatic is being exploited in almost all the major fields of life. Making things automatic reduces burden on the humans. The cost and effort used in manually controlled product is much higher than the automated system. In cities, there are many public places where we can see that garbage bins or dustbins are placed but are overflowing. This creates unhygienic condition in the nearby surrounding. Also creates ugliness and some serious diseases. At the same time, bad smell is also spread and it also degrades the valuation of that area. To avoid such situation, we come up with a project called Smart Dustbin, which is a GSM based garbage and waste collection bins overflow indicator system for smart cities. Automatic garbage fill alerting system helps us to reduce the pollution. Many times garbage dustbins is overflow and many animals like dog or cow enters inside or near the dustbin. Also, some birds are also trying to take out garbage from dustbin. This project can avoid such situations and the message can be sent directly to the cleaning vehicle instead to the contractor's office. Apart from this, differentiation can be made between dry trash bin and wet trash bin, collecting plastic, dry waste, and biodegradable waste respectively. To implement this, methane and smell sensors can be used. This helps in distinguishing the waste at the source and hence reducing the requirement of manpower. Smart dustbin help to create a cleaner, safer, more hygienic environment and enhance operational efficiency while reducing management cost, resource, and roadside emissions. The smart bins is deal for busy locations such as campuses, theme parks, airports, railway stations, and shopping malls. Further on, Chandani will present.
Okay. Hello guys, this is Chandni. I will tell you about what is novelty of purpose behind the smart dustbin. Okay, let's see. Uh, automatic. It's a automatic open or closed lid for ease of use. There is no contact touch between dustbin and person, so prevention from germs and disease. The garbage inside the dustbin reaches as approx level of 90%. A buzzer will turn on for few seconds to tell the user not to use this dustbin, and red LED will be turned on until it's empty again. Till the dustbin is empty again, the lid will not open so that no one can throw garbage into the and create a mess. Okay. Next part is components. These components are required. You can see on the screen now. Conclusion. Okay. Conclusion. A simple but useful project called Smart Dustbin using Arduino is designed and developed here. Using this project, the lid of the dustbin stay closed so that waste is not exposed, like to avoid flies and mosquitoes. And when you want dispose any waste, it will automatically open the lid. Okay. There is a Okay, that's it from our side. Thank you so much, guys.